5 easy ways to maintain an above-ground swimming pool. In general, the critical components of your pool's health are: 1. Proper filtration. Match the filter to your pool size according to the manufacturer. Backwash your sand filter or clean your cartridge filter weekly. Inspect your pump basket and clean out as needed. Inspect your skimmer basket daily, especially after windy or rainy weather. 2. Circulation. Maintain water levels in hot weather. Check the pump pressure, cycle, and duration. 3. Sanitization. Balance the pH and chlorine. Daily above-ground pool maintenance. Inspect your pool daily for lack of return jet pressure and debris in the skimmer basket. Run the pool filter 16 hours daily. Your filter and pump should be able to replace/recycle the entire volume content of your pool within 8 hours. Water level should be around mid-skimmer. Not too high, not too low. Too high, the surface debris will not be sucked in. Too low, the pump will vortex and suck air, thereby losing prime. Test pH level should be between 6.8 to 7.6. Test chlorine level should be between 2.0 4.0 ppm. Weekly above-ground pool maintenance. Skim the surface, vacuum, and fully brush the pool. In that order. The water may become somewhat cloudy or greenish. The filter will take care of that within 8 hours. Clean the pool deck and surrounding areas. Helps keep the pool clean. Add C.POOL and Spa for your 5-point chemical maintenance. Add liquid chlorine or tablets to refill the floater or chlorinator. Avoid harsh chemicals that may bleach or discolor vinyl liners. Backwash or clean filter. To clean your above-ground pool, you'll need soft pool cleaning tools, like a telepole, skim net or leaf net, pool brush, and a vacuum hose and vacuum head for vinyl pools. Brushing is important to remove films and dust particles from surfaces, where they can be filtered out of the water. Products like Pool Blaster, Hayward Aqua Bug, and Zodiac Ranger are safe for pool scrubbing and cleaning. Pool pH is very alkaline dependent, and your chlorine effectiveness is very pH dependent. If the pH is over 7.6, the efficiency of chlorine is diminished. C.POOL and Spa Clean and Clear is very important for above-ground pools, which can quickly turn swampy if chlorine goes to zero or filtration slows down. C.POOL Clean and Clear is known for its ability to act as a backup to such situations, and Clean and Clear helps small filters immensely to prevent cloudy water and algae blooms. Add enough chlorine tablets to raise the chlorine level into the 2 to 4 ppm range, and strive for consistency. Most above-ground pools use 2 to 4 of the 3 chlorine tablets per week in a chlorine floater or chlorinator. That is cut in half. 1 to 3 of C.POOL Clean and Clear is used also. Monthly above-ground pool maintenance. Test calcium hardness level should be between 200 to 400 ppm. High calcium causes cloudy water and possible vinyl liner stains. Test cyanuric acid level should be between 30 to 50 ppm. High acid levels make chlorine less effective. Shock the pool in the evening, twice monthly. Check for hidden algae which can form behind steps and ladders. Clean the waterline and inside skimmer walls with tile and vinyl cleaner. Finally, calcium hardness is a measurement of the hardness or softness of your pool water. Not as crucial for above-ground pools, but the water that is too soft can make it easier for vinyl liner stains to appear, can cause foaming, and can interfere with proper sanitation. Cyanuric acid is a chlorine stabilizer that adds protection for your free chlorine from the sun. Chlorine tablets contain a small amount of CY, and we recommend a combination of tabs and liquid chlorine.